Did you know a rock drummer almost died on stage while 15,000 fans watched in horror? March 1st, 1995, Lausanne, Switzerland. REM was halfway through their set when everything went wrong. Bill Berry was pounding out the rhythm to Tongue when he suddenly stopped playing. He clutched his head in agony and collapsed behind his drum kit. Michael Stipe kept singing, thinking it was just equipment problems. But Berry wasn't moving. Blood vessels had burst in his brain. A massive aneurysm was killing him in real time. The crowd fell silent as paramedics rushed the stage. His bandmates watched in terror as their drummer was carried away unconscious. Emergency brain surgery saved his life, but Berry knew he'd never be the same. 2 years later, he quit REM forever. One song changed everything for one of America's biggest bands. Follow for more rock music history